Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Out for a little ride today after work. It's a beautiful day, so I had to do it. Haven't done a vlog in a while. I don't know about you guys, but have you ever stored your motorcycles somewhere besides your house? So when you wanted to go for a ride, you had to put all your stuff in your car, drive over to where you have your motorcycles, and then go out for a ride. That's the question today, because I'll tell you what, both of my motorcycles are being stored at my brother and sister-in-law's house, and I love to ride. I love my motorcycles, but I'm finding that after a day of work and, you know, being tired and everything, it's just like such a hassle to throw all my stuff in my truck, drive over, get the bikes out, or get the bike out. I don't know, have any of you ever done that? Because I'm gonna tell you what, it's a real drag. But the thing is, once I get on the bike and get out and start riding, I'm like, oh man, I'm so glad that I went out and got the bike. Sorry about the coughing, guys. They were doing some serious insulating at work today, and even though I was wearing a mask, it seems as though you still get some of that stuff. Taking a ride down the beach here at Campo in Westport. Boom. It is beautiful down here. It's a nice day today. I'd say it's probably 60 something degrees. So the good news about all of that is I think we're going to close on the new townhouse within the next 2 weeks. So it's probably going to take us, you know, a little bit of time to get in, get moved and everything, and be living there. But I am super excited. And I know my YouTube channel is really all about motorcycles. But I am going to veer off a little bit, and you know, when I close on the house, I'm going to take you guys, I'm going to do a tour of my new townhouse and show you around. I'll show you the bare canvas of the garage. I've actually been looking around on Pinterest and everything to come up with some paint schemes for the garage. And I'm looking forward to getting it all set up. And like I said, I'm looking forward to being able to come home, go in my garage, throw my gear on, and go for a ride. And we're going to be exploring all new roads up there. Like I said, I'm moving about a half hour north of where I am, and I went exploring in my car up there a little bit, and it seems as though there's a lot of nice back roads and country roads I can find. So it's going to be fun. It'll be a learning experience. Bring you guys along with me. Check out some new roads. And I have some videos I want to do, some installs. As you know, I've only talked about it for a year and a half, but I do have the indicator lights for this bike, the LED indicators. That'll be a little something I'm going to do, though there'll probably be a couple other things. And then I am going to start looking. I want to buy an Enduro, an old one maybe that's not running, fix that up. I am just so looking forward to this new house. We worked so hard, you know. It's going to be the first time we ever owned a place that's brand new. and it's very exciting. So that's my story. I'll tell you what, I dragged up anybody that's following me that's an electrician or an IBW member that's commented, just to let you know. I did drag up from the Millstone Powerhouse, and I took a job in my home local. I couldn't take those 12-hour days, hour and 15-minute ride there, hour and 15-minute ride home. I was just too tired. The money was great, don't get me wrong. So I dragged up for a job that's supposed to last a little bit here, you know, maybe a little bit of overtime here and there, but as of right now, I'm working 6 to 2:30. So those are the hours I want for the summertime. Get moved into the new place and get right. So sorry it's taken so long in between videos. In this transition process, it's been tough. You know, I don't have the bikes. I don't have a lot I can do. Got an itchy eye. It sucks when you're wearing glasses. Yeah, so it's been hard to really do a lot. So my videos have been few and far between, but hopefully once I really get rolling and get in, I'm going to be back to once a week doing a video. Whether it's an install, a video with Dolly. I haven't done a moto mail lately. I haven't really been getting any mail. I haven't been sending any either. So if anybody wants to swap stickers or whatever, feel free. Send them my way. I'll send you my stickers back. Maybe once I get moved, I'll get some poker chips. Who knows? Who knows what the future holds for motorcycling with Carl. I want to give a shout out to Tim Finning. Guy is great. He did a video not too long ago, a few weeks ago maybe, about something he called pussy grips on his motorcycle, and they're like a foam grip. I think I'm gonna need something like that, because my hands just fall asleep all the time. I don't know if it's from being in the trade and twisting pliers and wire nuts all day, but definitely has taken its toll. So that's something I'd be interested in trying, see if it helps at all. Alright, so I don't want to bore you guys too much. Like I said, I'll probably have another video before I move into the new house or close on it. Close on it. I will do a video and show you guys around. Any questions or comments, please leave them. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do. I want to thank everybody for following and commenting. My channel's been doing really great, and I hope I have some more great content coming up and some installs. Get off of this little bit of downswing I've had here without having a house. So alright, until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.